Alright everyone, welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Elytra in Minecraft. And the reason I'm doing this is because I've got two reasons. Number one of my recent ones, it did pretty well, I'm not going to lie, it'll be on screen now. And also, I'm going to give a big shout out to C7Zav who did suggest this video. If you guys do want to suggest a video, put it down in the comments below and I will use your idea. So, thank you guys. Subscribe, we're nearly at 900 now, so let's see if we can get there. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in the video. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys, this is a very, very simple tutorial to do. There's not much to do, and it's basically how to get something which can make you fly in Minecraft on survival. I'm going to be doing this tutorial on creative because it's much easier and it's just easier to show you guys. So yeah, let's get into this. Alright, so basically the first bit is very simple. Step number one, you want to get yourself an end portal, and if you don't know how to do this on survival, you want to go kill a load of endermen, get a load of end pearls, mix them with some blaze rods on the nether, and you want to go watch another tutorial if you do want to know this better. But you guys want to go find a stronghold, and then in the stronghold you'll find an end portal, and then basically that's it. So what you want to do is you want to make yourself an end portal. I've made mine look all fancy because I was bored. So yeah, you want to jump into this. Alright, so we are in the end, and I've already set this up for you guys, and it's very, very, very simple. You want to go to the end, and the first thing you want to do is you want to kill the ender dragon. I've got a clip here, like I am doing now on creative. So yeah, you got to just kill this dude, and as soon as you kill the end dragon, I'm going to fly because why not? At least some of my tridents. You don't want to jump into this at all, so this will take you back home, and you don't want to touch this egg either. You want to go and look in one of the corners, and there'll be this strange little portal thing, alright? And you want to build up to this, make sure you carry blocks with you, and this is a portal which will take you to the end cities, alright? And this Elytra is in the end cities, right? So you want to just destroy that and walk into here. It's not working. Oh, you kind of, okay, you want to crouch into this. I'm doing this wrong. You do want to crouch in this, but I'm on creative, so I'm just going to fly in. Simple. And I've been very lucky, and I've spawned on top of some tree thing. Okay. Yeah, the tree things are a bit strange, but yeah, you can spawn wherever you can. But you're on this, it's an end, I don't even know what it is, it's just more islands in the end really. So I'm still going to fly around on this. Basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to travel around all these islands. These are chorus fruit on the trees, by the way. If you guys want to pick those up, it will help you teleport. And on survival, sorry, you want to like bridge yourself along. It's pretty easy to do, you just put blocks in front of you, yeah? And you want to keep going until you find an end city. So this map goes forever. You just want to keep going until you find an end city, and I'll show you guys what they look like. So we have found our end city, and you want to make sure your end city has a floating ship. If it doesn't have the floating ship, it will not have the Elytra in it. And this, I'd say, is the hardest part, unless you're a bit of a noob and you've died or bridging. So you want to look out for one of these. They can be pretty far away, and you basically just want to get all the way to that ship thing over there. But you've got to be very careful because there is shulker blocks on the way, and they basically shoot things at you which make you fly, and as soon that flying thing wears out and you basically fall to your death, and then you have to restart again. So watch out for these things, and I definitely recommend you're fully prepared and you've got all like weapons and stuff with you as well. So basically, alright, you want to get all the way to the top. These cities have some of the best loot in the game. You want to take everything you see, including these rods. Yeah, take some of the shulker blocks that you kill. This place has some of the best loot. I'm not even going to say summer. I think this place has the best loot in the entire game. Right, so you want to go all the way to the top, and you've made it to your first area here, with little buildings inside this end city. At the top of the tallest one, which is where I am now, I'm just going to dig in from the top because it's easier. There's normally a chest. Alright, this one doesn't have it, but there's usually a chest which has diamonds, enchantment, like everything. Some of the best loot in the entire game. But we're not here for the loot, we are here for the lovely Elytra, and you want to bridge your way on survival. You want to bridge your way all the way over here to this ship, and you want to get onto the ship, and once again the ship's full of loot, and it's also full of, here we go, here's the elytra. So basically you just want to make sure you hit the item frame, just hit it, and the elytra should pop out. I'm on creative mode, so it will not pop out. That's my bad though. So on survival mode, all you got to do is hit it like you hit a block or something, like I'm hitting this block, and it will pop out right onto the floor and then into your inventory. So yeah, that's basically how to get the elytra. For an added bonus, there is I fell off. There's a dragon head on the front of the ship. You just want to mine that, and once again I'm on creative, so it's gonna be disappear. But yeah, you can take this and you can wear this as well, so it makes you look extra cool using the elytra. Final thing, you do want to make sure you go onto your inventory here, so here, and you want to get the elytra and put it where your body armor is going to go. So yeah, and you've got wings basically, and they're really cool to use, and you just jump off of something and then press another X or A or whatever console you're on, and you're flying around. Basically it's this simple, and you can use fireworks to make sure you launch all the way back up again. So it's basically like a glider. It's not a flying thing, it's a glider, but it's still so cool. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you did find this tutorial helpful. Go check out some of my other videos, which will be in the corner now and on my outro. So please go check those out. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.